So we had some parts come in for the Camaro. Power steering went out in the local parade. I bought a remanufactured pump from O'Reilly's. It lasted a couple of days, and then I started having intermittent power steering issues again. So I ended up ordering the Fritz power steering kit from Nick's Fritz off a F-Body page I'm on, and it converts to a C6 pump, and it comes with everything, and then you just buy the pump. Got really detailed instructions and everything that's in the kit. Really good put together kit. Thank you, Nick. Let's get started on this. Alright, got the pump in. Use the OEM high pressure line, OEM bolt holes. There's an extra bolt, a hole you don't use. Nick's kit comes with all the lines needed to connect. It comes with a reservoir that mounts back by the brake booster, and it comes with this metal pulley to use on the kit. It uses the factory belt size and everything. It is a really good kit. I'm really excited to see how it does. Alright, so I did a little bit more than I meant to do before updating y'all again. I got the reservoir mounted. One quick thing I forgot to say earlier. I opted for the black reservoir. He has an bare aluminum reservoir and a plastic that looks pretty much like this stock master cylinder reservoir here. But all you do is use the left mounting stud for the master cylinder to mount the bracket, and then the reservoir slides onto that bracket. But I did the outlet side of the reservoir down to the pump. My cooler won't be here till later today, so it may be tomorrow before I do it. But I'll run the return line from the rack and pinion to the reservoir. And now I'm about to put the pulley on, which my granddad let me borrow this pulley tool. It's been a dang lifesaver. I'm pretty sure you can't do it without it, but gonna get the pulley mounted. Looks like it is a GM 1942-1325 pulley that comes in the kit. But again, thanks Nick for the kit. It is really awesome. Alright, pulley's on. Still waiting on cooler. So ready to get this thing back together. Get rid of this janky cooler setup I did a while back. Just get rid of the factory crappy one. I bought a decent one this time. All right, the new Derail performance cooler came in. It's a 24-inch cooler, as you can see. It is a 13224 cooler. I'm gonna mount it upside down under the core support. Probably way more than I'll ever need, but doing the autocross, better do more than less. I learned that just running the stock pump. Might say the power steering cooler is a little overkill. Alright, the install is done. Ended up finishing it last night. It's the next day. Shop's a mess. But just had to do the return line from the cooler back up to the reservoir, and we started it last night, bled the system, everything, and unfortunately my rack and pinion's bad. We think at idle, or if I'm just driving straight, you can go to turn, the steering stiff, but if I kind of take a few corners pretty good, it loosens up, feels normal, and then it's right back to being stiff. So I guess the rack and pinion's in the cards before the next autocross season, which is in March. So got time for it. I'll just drive it when I need to, and we'll get it fixed before then. All right, thanks for watching.